Hi children, today we learn history, the third chapter, the Delhi Sultanate. Delhi Sultanate, Turkish conquest of North India. 11th century AD, rulers in North India were very weak. So in this period, Muhammad Ghazani, he invaded India from AD 1998 to 1030. During this period, 17 times he plundered means looted India and destroyed many places, temples and cities. In this, the famous temple was Somanath temple in Kathiawar in Gujarat. That temple he plundered a lot of money, lot of gold and lot of diamond. He has taken his native place Ghazani. Muhammad brought Punjab and part of Sindh under his control. After Ghazani, Al-Biruni, a great Persian scholar, accompanied Muhammad to India. Ghazani accomplished Muhammad Ghazani to India, and he mastered in Sanskrit language, and many of the Sanskrit literature he translated into Arabic language. He wrote a book on India while he was living with Muhammad Ghazani in India. After Muhammad Ghazani, the next Turkish ruler invaded India 1173. That was Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori was an Afghan ruler. He wanted to establish his kingdom in India. 1190, Muhammad Ghori's territories were Punjab and Sindh. At this time, Prithviraj was a famous ruler from the Rajput dynasty, Rajput power. The first time, Ajmer and Delhi was powerfully Rajput rulers in North India, and Prithviraj was the ruler of the Ajmer and Delhi. Ghazani, Muhammad Ghori wanted to control the Punjab. So, Muhammad Ghori and Prithviraj Chauhan had the battle near Delhi, Tarain. That first battle of Tarain fought in 1191. Prithviraj defeated Muhammad Ghori. Soon after, 1 year later, 1192, Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj and killed. Then Muhammad Ghori occupied Punjab and Ajmer under his control. Then he defeated 1194. He defeated Banaras and Kannauj rulers. Muhammad Ghori returned to Gaur, and while he leaving his place from India, his territories, he made the in charge of his place his trusted slave Qutbuddin Aibak. So soon after that, Turkish conquered the establishment of the Delhi Sultanate came. When Muhammad Ghori left the India, his faithful slave servant Qutbuddin Aibak, 1194 to 1206, he became the Turkish general, conquered the Ganga Yamuna tomb. In this area included Aligarh, Kalinjar, Bihar and Bengal. After Muhammad Ghori's death in 1206, Qutbuddin Aybak himself proclaimed the Sultan of the Turkish territories in India, and he made Delhi as his capital. And commonly in the Indian history, he come to known as the founder of the Delhi Sultanate. Then Delhi was a capital. Old Delhi was known as a Dilliga, means Delhi, built by the Tomar around year 736. Vasladio, a Chauhan ruler of 12th century, captured the city from Tomar. Under the Tomars and Chauhans, Delhi grew into a very important administrative center in North India. Because of Delhi's strategic location, most of the Sultan established Delhi as their capital city. Now, slave Maluk dynasty. Maluk dynasty means Qutbuddin Aybak belonged to a slave dynasty. So, Muhammad Ghori's faithful slave he was. The dynasty established by Qutbuddin Aybak called the slave or a Maluk dynasty. Maluk means slave. Qutbuddin Aybak was a generous ruler, great builder. He built India's oldest mosque, the Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque in Delhi. He built the mosque Arhai Din Ka Junapura at Ajmer and began to the construction of the Qutb Minar in Delhi. Qutbuddin died in 1210 while playing polo. He fallen from the horse and died on the spot. Only 4 years he ruled as a slave ruler in Delhi. After that, his son-in-law, Qutbuddin Aybak's son-in-law, Iltutmish came to rule 1211 to 1236. Iltutmish ascended the throne in 1211. 1210, Qutbuddin Aybak died. Soon after 1211, Iltutmish established the Delhi Sultanate. He crushed his rebels. Rebels means enemies, won them over the land grants. He suppressed rebellions. 1221, Iltutmish refused to shelter to the ruler of Iran, who had been ousted by the Mongol chief Genghis Khan. The wise move saved India from a Mongol attack. Iltutmish considered a group of powerful Turkish nobles called Chalisa, means 40 people, to overcome his enemies. He introduced efficient system for collecting land revenue, recognized the currency of the Sultanate. He completed the construction of Qutb Minar. He built a mosque at Badhan and his own tomb of red sandstone at Delhi. After Iltutmish, his daughter Razia ruled until she was murdered in 1220.